Are you ready to take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom? In this video, we'll show you 5 simple steps to master your personal finance in 2024. Let's get started. Step 1. Track your expenses. The first step to financial success is knowing where your money goes. Use budgeting apps like Money Manager or Excel sheets to categorize your spending. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund is your safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid fund or savings account. This will protect you from unexpected expenses like medical bills or job loss. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debts, like credit card bills, can drain your finances. Focus on paying these off first, using strategies like the Debt Snowball or Debt Avalanche method. Once you're debt-free, you'll have more money to invest and grow your wealth. Step 4. Start investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest. Explore options like mutual funds, stocks, or index funds. Even small, regular investments can grow into a significant amount over time. Step 5. Plan for retirement. Don't wait until it's too late. Start contributing to a retirement fund like PPF, NPS, or EPF. The earlier you start, the more comfortable your retirement will be. Mastering personal finance is all about discipline, planning, and taking action. Start today and watch your financial future transform. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Let's grow together.